You can design unique Father's Day gifts in Studio. Start by uploading your favorite photo to Studio via the Uploads tab. Then click to add it to the canvas. Let's remove the background using the Spark AI Background Remover by simply clicking the magic wand icon in the bar at the top. Then let's crop the image with a circle for a bit more styling. I'll add another circle in a block color for a nice simple look and feel. Add a text field with whatever text you like. In this case, we'll just type out Happy Father's Day. Let's apply a circle text transformer to wrap the text around the image, and add another circle behind for a bit of a border. Lastly, I'll add a subtext in a different font and use the Rise transformer to style it. Then add some additional supplementary elements of your choosing to give the design some detail and flair. Have fun and experiment with your own designs and combinations. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.